Hello, my friends! It's ManixMe Day. How exciting. This month, I think is going to be really good. It's a really good bonus gift, and the plates are cool. I'm just going to say it right now. I think this box might sell out because like the Celestial one from last year, late last year, remember? Sold out. This one too, I really think so. So first up we have our cards, and they're super pretty. So we have some little portals. The theme of this month is magic portals. So we've got like all these little kind of windows and boho kind of witchy designs. I really love it. And this is the full kit. So we get 2 polishes, and 2 plates and a bonus gift. So here is a sample manicure that we can make. Wow, I love the French. That's so pretty. So let's see. Pathway of Stars, Mystical Elegance, Celestial Dreams, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, so here you go. This is just a reverse stamping instruction, sort of. Step 1, step 2. Yeah, okay. You maybe need a little experience for that, but I think they probably have a lot of videos online for how to do that. So yeah, really pretty. I like the design this month. It's always a hint on what the plates are gonna look like. So let's check this out. Okay. All right, let's start with the bonus gift. Look how cute. So this is Maniology understands that your creative workspace is vital for free-flowing ideas of nail art colors, designs, and combinations. We wanted to give you a purposeful tool that could handle it all. Yes. This is actually one big silicone mat. Oh, it's so cute. Look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. I really love it. Just so you can compare, this was the mini mat that came with the box of Magic last year, the Halloween box. So we got, it looks a little smaller, just slightly, like a 1/16 of an inch or something. Maybe I'm just imagining that. They're the same. Let's just put it that way. So yeah, a little bit different design for where the fingers are. This one's a little more expanded, I think. Yeah, I love it. This is like a little more realistic nail sizes. Like these are pretty big nails. I don't know about you, but my nail is not that big. So this is a little more real. So that's cool. Wow. So we've been getting kind of like, we just haven't had like a really exciting bonus gift in a while, I think. So this is super cool. Of course, it's so cute, I probably won't even use it. So let's see. Oh, okay, right. So I do PR, and I got this box as PR, but they also sent me some extra plates. This did not come with the box. This is for something else. But this is the box. So we got 2 polishes. Ooh, whoa. I like that so much. It's like a nail. Whoa, this is my favorite sticker so far. Look how cool that is. That's cool. I need like 3 more so I can actually stick them on things, because you know I'm not gonna actually use it. I'll put it in my little sticker collection here. I actually did put some stickers on my stand mixer in my kitchen, and nobody liked that. Stand mixer is apparently a sacred space. Anyway, it's my stand mixer, so. All right, plates. Ooh, super cute. I can't wait. So this is a French plate. But they've been going hard with the French lately, like so good. Oh, these are really beautiful. So let me see if I can get this in there. Yeah. Gorgeous, very detailed Frenches. We've got this kind of sort of Hawaii looking style that also kind of reminds you of like nail art in the 90s, you know what I mean? We got these really lovely little delicate butterflies, a moon and some leaves. That's pretty. And this also kind of looks like the Gothic kind of archways from the last Halloween box. Super gorgeous, like filigree here. Got moons and eyes with the little heart. How cute, that detail is nice. And more moons and celestial stuff like that. I'll be honest, I don't really know how to use the straight lines. I have problems with like doing the straight line. I guess it's just not really my style, but let me know what to do with the straight lines. I've just never been able to figure that out. So that's beautiful, what a beautiful plate. And that is an MXM 142. So this must be MXM 141. And that is also super pretty. Wow. I'm so glad boho didn't die. Like, I've been all about this boho style for like forever, and like any trend, they kind of come and go, but I'm glad this one's sticking around because it's just so pretty. Oh my gosh. Wow. So yeah, I mean, they're just, yeah, the different kind of portals to different worlds. Boy, I sure wish I could step into that, huh? Just go right off the edge there. Goodbye. Yeah, really nice. And then they always, whoever designs these loves cats because they always sneak in a little kitty. Very cool. Very, very cool. Here's the polish. So this one is Pearl Prism 535, and this one is Blue Beam 536. Okay, it's really cold out, so these are still like really cold. Sam is a little squeaky fish downstairs. It's his favorite toy. Okay, wow, beautiful. Let's swatch these. All right, while those are drying, let's just do a bottle swatch so we can get an idea of what we're working with here. Get a little closer look at that. Okay, so we have Blue Beam. I really like this blue, super rich. Okay, that's nice. It's kind of reminding me of Flotsam. Yeah, that's the closest one that I have. And this is Midnight Madness. So yeah, pretty different. This is definitely a blue I do not have, and I like that. And then this is looks like a special effects polish, so I'm guessing it's not gonna look super wild on the cap here. Oh wow, it's really purple. I wasn't expecting that. Okay, we kind of saw what it looks like over the black and white, but let me just show you over the black. Wow, look at that. That's magical. That's magic. Oh, that's also kind of purpley. Oh, wow. Oof, yummy. But what will it look like on white? Ooh. Ooh. Oh, okay. Look at that. Wow. It's like two different polishes completely. So yeah, let me just see what it looks like over nothing. Pretty. Gonna mess up my polish already. It kind of didn't work out. That looks cool though, right? Like you could kind of make a manicure like that. At your own risk. So let's see how they stamp. Gonna grab this one again. Okay, here are some of our swatches, done in the janky way that I like to do it. Let's go take this around to some different light sources and see if they look any different. Okay. Well, here's my like bright white grow light. Excuse me. So just like super bright white. I love this. I forgot the name of it already. The purple. This is like an indoor-outdoor mix, so I've got the natural light coming in from behind me, and then overhead I have some mixed lighting. And this is like an indoor lighting where there's no direct sun or overhead light. There's no overhead lights on in here, it's just a natural light. And this is outside. It's kind of overcast today, so I don't have any like direct sun to show you, but this is the natural light. Also, it is freaking cold out here. Press F to respect my bravery. So there's some nice swatches for you. I hope that's helpful to see if you want to purchase these polishes later. As a reminder, the MXM box polishes are early release. They are not exclusive to the box, so you can buy them after the month is over at your leisure. Super beautiful. We had Pearl Prism and Blue Beam. I really like these polishes. The special effects one is really stunning. The plates are fabulous. I love them. I really think this is going to be a popular box. And the bonus gift is like, what? It's so cute. I love it. I love it so much. I love all of it. So this is a banger of a box. So let me know if you're going to get it. Just kidding. I know you are. But anyway, I really appreciate y'all joining me. Make sure you drop a like on this video so other people can find it. Don't you want other people to see all this good stuff? Yeah, of course. So anyway, thanks for joining me, my friends. And until next time, bye.